Have you ever seen this plant before? It looks simple, but it's one of the most powerful natural flavors in the world. This is called pandan, and once you smell it, you'll never forget it. This is pandan, a tropical plant widely used in Southeast Asia. At first glance, it just looks like long green leaves, but behind the simple look there's something special. Pandan has a naturally sweet, vanilla-like aroma. That's why many people call it Asia's vanilla. Pandan grows in warm tropical climates like Indonesia, Thailand,